Topic is binary search trees. So in this video we'll learn about what is binary search tree and the properties of binary search tree. So here is a binary search tree. Let me define it. It is a binary tree in which for every node all the elements in its left subtree are smaller than that node and all the elements in the right subtree are greater than that node. So if you look at this also, elements in the left subtree, there is only one element that is smaller and here the element is greater. For this node, this is smaller and this is greater. So this binary tree is useful for searching. That's why it is named as binary search tree. How it is useful for searching, I'll explain. Suppose I am searching for a key value 40. Then start from root, search for 40. Is this 40? No, 40 is greater than this one. So definitely 40 is on the right hand side. Go to right hand side. Is it 40? No, this is 50. So 40 must be on the left hand side of 50. Go on left hand side. Yes, element is found. So we have compared only few elements in a tree and found the result. So this is useful for searching an element in less number of comparisons. So this is more like a binary search. Binary search is applied on a single array in a list of elements, but this is upon binary tree. So the behavior is similar to binary search. So the search time depends on the height of a tree. We'll learn about search in more detail in other videos. Now let us learn about the properties. First thing, binary search tree will not have duplicates. It will not have duplicates. Now the second one, if we take the in-order traversal of binary search tree, we get the list of elements in sorted order. Let us check. I will perform in-order traversal of this one. Start from root. Move around the boundary. Yes, we have reached the bottom. 10, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, over. So we got the elements in the sorted order. So in order gives sorted order. In order gives sorted order. Then third property. If we have some nodes, then how many different binary search trees can be created for same set of nodes? So number of binary search trees for n nodes. So the third and the last one is number of binary search trees for n nodes if n nodes are given. So I'll remove this and show you for n nodes how many binary search trees are possible. See here I have 3 nodes 10, 20, 30. Then I want to generate binary search tree from those 3 nodes. So what are the different shapes possible? So we know very well that if we take the in order of a binary search tree, we should get the elements in sorted order, means same order. So always it should be sorted order. So if you remember, for the same pre-order, how many trees are possible? We saw it one of the video. Now for same in order, how many trees are possible? I will draw them, then we will see. Yes, 5 trees are possible. For 3 nodes, 5 different shapes are possible. So I have taken 5 shapes. Now in each shape, the elements are filled such that if you take the in order, so we get 10, 20, 30 for all these trees. If I change the arrangements of these elements, I may not get the same in order. So each shape can be filled only in one way to get the same in order. So you already know the formula. For 3 nodes, when 5 trees are generated, then for n nodes, how many trees can be generated? So 2n Cn by n plus 1 trees can be generated. Catalog number. So if n nodes are given, various shapes binary trees can be generated and that number is 2n Cn by n plus 1. And one more point we observe, again I repeat the point. In one shape, the key elements can be filled only in one way. If I write 20 here, 10 here, I will not get the same in order. Then let us see how we can represent this binary search tree. Binary search tree is represented using linked representation. Linked representation. If you want, you can use array also, but mostly it is done using linked representation. So I will draw a link representation for this one. So this is the link representation of this binary search tree. So that's all. Introduction to binary search tree. We have also learned about its properties. Now next video we will learn how to search in a binary search tree.